Brian has put in work every weekend. He's always dreaming of these big projects. He's thorough.
There's definitely been a number of tasks that I'm doing on the tractor where I lose track of time.
Time estimation is really poor. It's gonna take a few hours, means the whole day.
We moved out to the country to basically just have a little more room for our kids to run.
It's given us a comfort level that we have space to be ourselves, do something different, because our family life is a little different. It's allowed us to have animals and really bring that responsibility piece into our life.
We went from a typical single-family house to a mini farm.
It literally had this one big pasture that took up most of our yard, and so we decided to call it Greener Pasture.
My tractor's a John Deere 1025R. It's my first tractor, and it's part of the family. Primarily, we got it for the loader bucket. We move horse manure, hay, and straw. I walked into a John Deere dealer and was able to purchase that day and have it delivered right to my door. I went and mowed the front yard for the first time. My neighbors later commented to my wife that they felt like I was a little kid playing with new toys. This has allowed me to spend more time with my family.
Brooks, our son, he's always full of energy. He loves being outside. Do we pick up sticks?
Yeah.
Do we pick up walnuts?
Yeah.
Yep. Tell everybody that Annie runs the house. Really, Allison runs the house, but Annie's kind of her, like...
Nice girl.
She is a nice girl. In the morning, Annie is a big part of helping me take care of the animals. She has on her pajamas before school and slips on her boots, and we feed the chickens, feed the horses, muck the stalls. It's really about the animal camaraderie. This year we had our vegetable garden in our old pig pen. Having your own vegetables is so much nicer for cooking.
20 feet that way is the pasture, and the horses will come up and greet us, and so we have this real connection with the whole property. I remember riding my uncle's combine. You know, there was just something about that color green that meant it was gonna last and it was gonna be there. We are the Frels,
And this is our land.